It starts here with incense cedar, chosen for its smooth grain and easy sharpening. First, the bark is stripped clean.
Gang saws slice the logs into rough planks. Precision here prevents warping later.
Drying is critical. We bring moisture down to 8%. Too wet, they warp. Too dry, they crack.
Planers square the edges. Scanners kick out knots instantly. Only clear wood makes the grade. 6 grooves per slat. These channels will cradle the graphite core. Carbide cutters stay razor sharp. The lead has no lead. It's graphite and clay. Ball mills grind them for 24 hours into a fine slurry. Filter presses squeeze out the water. What's left is a putty-like cake, ready for extrusion. Extrusion forces the mix through a die. One continuous strand. Diameter is checked to the micron. Cut to length, 7 inches. Roughly the length of a finished pencil, minus the eraser.
Firing at 1050 Celsius. This sinters the clay and graphite. It determines the hardness. HB is the standard balance.
Water-based glue fills the grooves. A clogged nozzle means a missing core. Workers watch every line. Vibratory feeders seat the leads. 1 per groove. Human eyes catch the mechanical misses. The top slat closes the sandwich. A mist of water reactivates the glue for a tight bond. 2000 psi. The press cures the glue and seats the lead deep into the wood grain. The block becomes pencils. Profiling saws cut 6 at a time. Centering is checked instantly.
Sanding drums round the corners. Smooth finish means better paint adhesion and comfortable grip.
First dip, yellow lacquer. Chain speed controls coat thickness. Runs are wiped by hand.
UV curing locks the color in seconds. No waiting for ovens. 3 coats total for that deep yellow.
Electrostatic spray wraps the paint around. Less waste, perfect coverage. 2 color coats down.
Clear coat protects the color. Curtain coater gives a mirror finish. Inspector checks for orange peel. Hot foil stamping. 300 degrees burns the gold into the lacquer. No, 2 HB, the standard. Vibratory bowls orient the ferrules. Aluminum, crimped tight. A jam stops the line. Crimping jaws apply 5 tons of pressure. The gauge ensures the ferrule won't slide off. The plugger seats the eraser. A pull test confirms it stays put during aggressive erasing. Final sharpening. Diamond wheels for a clean point. Shavings recycled for particle board. Human inspection catches what cameras miss. Paint chips, crooked ferrules. Rejects get recycled.
Checkwear catches missing leads. A light pencil is a hollow pencil. 0 tolerance.
12-pack cartons. High-speed tuckers. Workers build the pallets by hand for stability. Shrink wrap seals the deal. Weatherproof for shipping. Ready for the warehouse. From cedar log to classroom desk. 10 million pencils a week. 1 perfect point. Bend test. We push until it snaps. Wood must flex enough not to break immediately in a pocket.
Eraser endurance. It must erase cleanly without tearing paper fibers.
Drop impact. Sudden stops happen. Internal lead cracks render a pencil useless.
Adhesion tape test. If paint comes off easily, it fails. Durability meets aesthetics.
Tip precision matters. Too thick, it skips. Too thin, it breaks too fast. Master cartons protect the small packs. Hot melt glue sets instantly during folding. Robotic pickers move hundreds per hour. Precision placement prevents crushing inside. Strapping reinforces the box for stacking. 10 layers high, they can't buckle. Traceability codes ensure we know every batch's history. If there's an issue, we find it instantly.
Stack patterns matter. Interlocked bricks mean the stack won't lean during transit.
Separators prevent crushing the bottom cartons under 400 pounds of pressure.
Corner guards shield the load. Forklift tines can't dent the boxes directly. Rotating wrapper pulls film tight. 40% overlap seals moisture and dust out.
Top cap finishes the weather seal. Ready for the loading bay. Sharp blades save waste. A dull edge burns the cedar instead of cutting it. Friction kills machines. Regular lubrication keeps motors cool and quiet.
Safety sensors stop everything. If hands get near danger zones, the line halts.
A clean floor prevents slips. Sawdust removal reduces fire risk significantly.
Information flows like product. Shifts share data to keep the line moving seamlessly.
Information flows like product. Shifts share data to keep the line moving seamlessly. Energy modes shift at night. Task lighting focuses only where eyes work hardest. Consumables restocked overnight. Glue viscosity maintained for morning rush. Misaligned belts cause jams. Tiny adjustments keep the rhythm perfect.
Data watched closely. Efficiency numbers track every movement on the floor.
Data watched closely. Efficiency numbers track every movement on the floor.
Preventative care prevents corrosion. Clean metal lasts longer.
Distribution begins. Trailers wait at the dock for the next haul. Paperwork verifies destination. One wrong code sends product to the wrong continent.
Loose cartons moved by gravity cages. Speed saves time at the busy dock. Space is optimized. Every inch in the container counts toward profit. Brake lines connect. Safety checks before the engine even roars. Seal number locked. Nothing enters or leaves without permission. The cargo departs. Millions of pencils now begin their journey to stores.
GPS tracks every mile. Real-time location updates keep logistics flowing.
Arrival at Central Hub. Here, pencils split to regional retailers.
Cross-docking speeds delivery. From factory to shelf in days, not months. From the factory floor to your pocket, the design remains consistent. Correction is built in. Erase mistakes without leaving a ghost.
Maintain the point. Fresh wood exposes the fresh lead.
Perfect symmetry, engineered for comfort and balance.
Used for engineering dreams. Precise lines build our world. And for the young learner. Reliable tool for ideas taking shape.
Day ends. Work rests. But the tools remain ready.
Production pauses. Tomorrow, the cycle begins again.
Standard HB graphite pencil. Precision made.